Today we are at the James Lee Community Center, a Fairfax County community center, and we at the Literacy Council of Northern Virginia are hosting the Naturalization Ceremony for new citizens of the United States. These are folks who've come from, well today, 52 countries, and they've learned English, studied the United States government, and have done everything they need to do to swear their oath of allegiance today to the United States. The James Lee Community Center is a wonderful, wonderful Fairfax County center that provides programs for people of all ages, and we at the Literacy Council teach people the very important skill of speaking, reading, writing, and understanding English.
I'm really excited and totally thrilled being here. So I'm from China. It usually takes Chinese citizens and Indian citizens a long time to get the green card, which is the permanent residency, and then the naturalization. So I'm really excited.
I'm from Sudan originally, and I would tell everybody if you get a chance to become a citizen of the United States of America, because it is a really great country with more benefits and more opportunities.
We at the Literacy Council of Northern Virginia have hosted two naturalization ceremonies, and we are so excited about this partnership, and we hope to host many more.